Jolie Johnny's the name, Pokemon's the game. Hey Jolie, hope you're all doing great. If you're new to the channel, consider leaving a like, comment, subscribe maybe, if you enjoy it. I got a very exciting video today, or at least I'm excited. Today, we're opening the brand new holiday mystery power box. I found this at Walmart. So it's saying 5 booster packs, 1 coin. Look for randomly inserted chase packs. Could Neo Genesis be one of them? That's what they're advertising, so let's hope for the best. And it looks like you get a Charizard coin. And of course, let's just read quick the fine print. Packs and products randomly inserted. Packs and products shown on box may not be contained within. The collectible products in this package have been purchased directly from the manufacturer or purchased from the secondary market and repackaged for retail sales by MJ Holding. I enjoy these. Some people don't. Some people think it's a scam. But we get an Evolving Sky. Like, I'll take all those packs. I'm just opening it for a second. Hold on, everybody. There's nothing to be afraid of. I'm not putting anything in the box, I promise. All right, let's see here. So, guaranteed 5 packs. Each pack one by one. All right, first pack. Oh dear. Pokemon Go. We got Evolving Skies. Could you imagine? Pull a Moonbreon. That's exciting. Got a Brilliant Stars. Chance for a Charizard. Lost Origin. Chance for Giratina. And Shining Fates. And this was $25. I believe what? Napoleon? There we go. 25 bucks. We got 5 packs. So let's go with Pokemon Go, Brilliant Stars, Shining Fates, Lost Origin, Evolving Skies. So let's see. Let's see what we can pull. In my opinion, that's not bad at all. You got chances to pull something great. There's the code. I don't think I've ripped maybe 5 packs of Pokemon Go. Let's see. Xatu, Candela, Lunatone, Tranquil, Larvitar, Natu. We get an Altart out of anything, then run to your Walmarts for these. Venusaur and Melmetal. Brilliant Stars. I hope everybody's doing well. Maybe pull an alternate art Charizard. That would be fun. All right, here we go. Energy. Grotle. Double Turbo Energy. Torkoal, Impidimp, Shinx, Milcery, Purloin, Spiritomb, Dusclops, Agron VMAX. All right. Getting them pulls. Well, a pull. So yeah, once again, this was at my local Walmart. It was 25 bucks a box. I'd like to get more, but I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna get one. Shining Fates. Rusted Sword, Rotom, Morpeko, Gossifleur, Cacnea, Choodle. I ruined the surprise. Eevee, hello to whoever just beeped. Galarian, Mr. Mime, Baby Shiny, and Dreadnought. Lost Origin. If the Vomit Skies comes in every box, that would be amazing. Let's pull that Giratina. Our good friend Robbie Haunce, who we always show with the floor mat. Well, the play mat, I mean floor mat. Just making sure I don't ruin anything here. Biggest supporters of the channel. Robbie, don't get too upset if I pull the old Giratina. And speaking of Robbie, old Ghastly. Zora, Binnacle, Trainer, Gallery, Snorlax, all right, and Dugong. All right, I have a top loader left. I'd love to pull an alternate art out of Evolving Skies. Who wouldn't? Even though everything has gone down, which, hey, part of the game. Let's see here, everybody. All right, Evolving Skies. Can we pull a Rayquaza? Can we pull a Moonbreon? Anything but a Lycanroc would be fantastic. 2, 3, 4. Oh no, I don't know what that is, but I don't know if you can all see that. Probably my Moonbreon. Alright, Energy. Stormy Mountains. Boldore. Switching Cups. Scraggy. Fletchling. Gossifleur. Carvana. Pumpkaboo. Spirit Mask. Come on, come on. Azult V. Alright. Kind of glad it's not a big pull because it's kind of like the Pokemon Bleed art coming on the border. It's weird. Alright. Not bad though. Do we get our money back? No, but it's nice to get some decent pulls out of these. Alright, hope you enjoyed the video. Once again, Mystery Power Box, the holiday edition. I think Meijer and Walmart. Walmart definitely has them because that's where I got this. And hey, maybe somebody will pull a Neo Genesis pack. Jotobi Giants, the name, Pokemon's the game. Again, if you enjoyed the video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Have a great day.